Here is how to make your Instagram account private. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Instagram on your phone and then come to the profile page that's at the bottom right. Once you're here, click on the three lines on the top right. So now we've reached settings. And one thing you'll have to ensure that your account type is a personal account. So you can just search for that over here. It's this option, account type and tools. And for me, you can see it's a personal account. But if yours is a professional account, you can check out this video on how to switch back to a personal account. Once this is done, the next step is to just search for privacy and then click on account privacy. As you can see, it's currently a public account since this isn't enabled. But to make it private, just click on this button and click on switch to private. So these are all of the changes that will take place. And if you're fine with this, click on switch to private and it's done. And now our account has been made into a private account. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.